depend on my husband. I do depend on his strength. I don't take advantage of his kindness, his generosity. Kiko doesn't have much, but everything he has, he gives to us.
That's so true.
I do support him morally, with love and devotion. And I do believe in him. And I really do trust him. I do not get jealous. I do not ask too many questions because he doesn't give me reason to keep questioning him in my head. No, wala. I'm sorry talagang wala. We're just really like this, di ba lang? We're just comfortable and happy. And I don't believe that I can live forever with somebody except that.
Kahit kulubot na yung buong katawan at mukha namin, magkadikit pa rin kami. Ang lahat.
Believe that I can live forever with somebody except that.
Wow.
Uy, Sharon. Ito lang. Niiwan ko siya. Punta ako sa kwarto pag nasa labas kami. Pag nasa kwarto, tatalikuran ko siya hanggang lumabas siya.
Meron naman.
Meron naman, syempre, tao
naman
lang
ng-
po.
oo, lahat naman ng napupuno o kaya
Pero ang kaibahan,
umiinit ang ulo o kaya napipikon. Pero,
tapos mamaya may text na siya sa akin or may text ako sa kanya ng sorry.
yun.
Tapos, pag nabasa na, papasok siya sa kwarto,
Yeah.
mag-hug na kami, nakakainis, no? Ganun
So,
talaga kami, sorry. Ang kaibahan kasi, pag nag-aaway kami, usually discussion, tsaka alam mong yung ending, walang iwanan. Away lang to. Huwag mo ako inisin, matulog na tayo kasi tayo pa rin naman.
Yun. After 30 years.
Yes, wala na. Wala nang threat.
Naku, nabasa ko na po ang question 2. At honestly po, I think I might cover my ears for this answer.
Oh no.
From silent_fan12. Oh my gosh, guys.
Hi!
Medyo torture
That's
to.
Sharon yan.
What turns you on about each other after all these years together? And how do you make lambing to each other after a quarrel?
Ay, ako forever. Is it really a turn on or it's a turn on? No, honey, it's okay, relax. Turn on in wholesome turn on love. It just means this is what I think keeps the marriage alive.
Okay.
Our sense of humor. Sobra, araw-araw pinapatawa niya ako.